Imagine waking up to money hitting your bank account while you sleep. Sounds unreal, right? Well, passive income is the secret to financial freedom. And today, I'm breaking down 10 proven ways to make passive income online in 2025. Stick around till the end for my top recommendation. First up, print on demand. If you can design simple text-based quotes or cool graphics, you can sell them on t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding any inventory. Use Canva or Photoshop to design. Upload designs to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. Let the platform print, ship, and pay you royalties. You don't need to be on camera to make money with YouTube. Faceless YouTube channels are blowing up. Pick a niche: finance, tech reviews, motivation, or mysteries. Use AI voiceovers or hire narrators from Fiverr. Get stock footage from Pexels and Pixabay. Edit videos using CapCut or Premiere Pro. Use TubeBuddy to find low-competition keywords for faster growth. What if you could sell the same product over and over without ever restocking? Digital products make it possible. Ebooks, guides, cookbooks, planners, printables, calendars, wedding templates, business planners, presets and templates, Instagram filters, resume templates, Notion templates. Market your products on Pinterest and TikTok for free traffic. Affiliate marketing is the ultimate passive income stream. You promote products and earn commissions when people buy. Sign up for Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Create blog posts, YouTube videos, or Instagram content featuring affiliate links. Earn commissions every time someone buys through your link. Focus on high-ticket products for bigger commissions, like software courses or tech gadgets. A well-written blog can make thousands per month through ads and sponsorships. Use WordPress plus Bluehost to create a blog. Write SEO-optimized content on trending topics. Monetize with Google AdSense, Mediavine, or Ezoic. Create evergreen content like best productivity tools so traffic keeps coming. If you love photography or videography, sell your content on stock image platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Take high-quality images of nature, cityscapes, remote work, or food. Upload them to multiple stock platforms to maximize earnings. Trending themes like AI, remote work, and sustainability sell best. With dropshipping, you don't handle inventory. Just market the product and let suppliers ship it. Use Shopify plus AliExpress to create a store. Market products using TikTok, Facebook ads, and Instagram Reels. Pick trending products. Look for problem-solving gadgets like posture correctors or kitchen tools. If you're skilled in anything, turn it into a course and make money while you sleep. Use Teachable, Udemy, or Kajabi. Outline and record your course. Sell it on your website or through social media. Pre-sell your course to validate demand before creating content. Invest in dividend stocks and REITs to earn passive cash flow. Use Robinhood, Webull, or Vanguard. Buy stocks that pay dividends, like Apple, Coca-Cola, and Realty Income. Reinvest dividends to grow wealth over time. AI is changing the game. You can create and sell AI-generated books, art, and even business content. Use Midjourney or DALL-E for AI art. Sell AI-generated books on Amazon KDP. Offer AI-generated business templates on Etsy or Fiverr. Quality control is key. AI should be a tool, not a replacement for creativity. Which of these passive income ideas interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future money-making strategies. See you in the next video.